Welcome to CONVEY, a project pioneering a sustainable hydrogen ecosystem. From the coast at the town of Hirtshals in the northern part of Denmark, we're on a mission to decarbonize key sectors like industry and transport, while building a scalable model that can be replicated around the world. It all starts with wind energy. Harvested from the northern shores of Denmark, this clean power flows into hydrogen production. Inside, an electrochemical process takes place, namely the electrolysis, where electricity is added to water, and water molecules are being split into hydrogen and oxygen. This electrolysis enables the storage of energy into hydrogen as a fuel, which can then be distributed into industries and fueling stations, while byproducts like oxygen and heat are repurposed for other applications. At the heart of CONVEY is the energy management system. It monitors energy inputs and outputs, ensuring every resource is used efficiently. Data flows back and forth between the EMS and hydrogen production, constantly optimizing the process. The data management and monitoring system oversees distribution to industries, fuel stations, and heating purposes, making sure the right resources reach the right places at the right time. The CONVEY ecosystem isn't just about decarbonizing. It's about creating a replicable model for sustainable energy around the globe. From the northern coast of Denmark to harbors worldwide, join us in transforming port cities and leading the charge toward a cleaner, greener future.